Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Gogh app stuck on loading screen. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with the Gogh app here and you're wondering how to exactly fix if it's stuck in its loading screen, well, in this case what you can do is first is you want to make sure that you close it. So you want to go ahead and exit the app, and you want to go to your ongoing or your apps that is currently open right now, and you just basically close it. Now also you may want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, and basically you want to look for the app itself, and you want to make sure that it's fully updated. Now sometimes there might be some bugs introduced on the version that you currently have right now, so in this case you may want to update it. And if you see any update button, go ahead and click on it and wait for it to complete. Now once update is complete, what we need to do next is we want to clear a few things here just in case. So you want to look for the Gogh app here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and from here you want to go and click on the force stop at the bottom left here just to make sure. Click on OK, and from here just click on clear data at the bottom right here and click on clear cache. OK, and from here on see if that actually solves the issue. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.